pay attention to your food when you're eating? Or do you just sort of cram food in your face and hope that that serves the need? Do you actually pay attention to the flavors and the smells and the textures of the food that you eat? Or is it merely a functional thing just to kind of get you through the day? Checking in with our sense of taste can help us develop a sense of connection with our food, and it can help people overcome food eating disorders. It allows us to understand our satiety needs. So when you're eating, you can practice mindful eating, which is really paying attention to all of your senses, right? Your sense of taste, your sense of smell, your sense of touch and the textures of the food that you're eating, right? Your sense of proprioception and how much pressure you're using to chew that food. Where are your eyes resting? So that's visual, and it can be vestibular. So checking in with all of your senses as you're eating, and particularly your sense of taste. Mindful eating can be a really wonderful tool to help with all of the things that I've mentioned before. So if you have never thought about your sense of taste, I encourage you to take a moment to really focus on your food the next time you eat. What are all the flavors that you notice? And even you can take all of your senses, but especially your sense of taste. Take a moment to check in with your sense of taste and notice what you notice. Please like, share, and comment, and remember to hit that bell if you want to get notifications when I have new videos. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Shana Bender of Sense Mindful Integration, and if you'd like to learn more, please click the link to my Sensory Mindful Starter Kit in the description. Thank you so much, and remember to mind your senses.